Myself, Yogesh Kumar. I am working in Tata Advanced Systems Limited as a head of IT and business applications, and also working as a CISO for the organization. And the Tata Advanced Systems Limited is into the products which are manufactured for the defense, and we are proud to say that we are serving the nation by providing the solutions to the defense like missile launchers, rocket launchers, which plays a very critical role to prevent the country from the attacks from the different countries. We have a world-class environmental test lab facility available with us, and which can tell us that the product can fail under what conditions. So this is how we can make the product more and more robust and working in different environments like underwater, on the surface, to the minus temperature, minus 50 degree temperature, or to the plus 100 degree temperature, and the air in the air itself, how the product will behave. We can very well judge, we can very well test into the lab, and we make these products more robust, so that the soldiers working on the front doesn't face those difficulties, and the lives can be saved. I had taken over this current role. So I was searching for a asset management tool first, and the ticketing tool. So the team was using ticketing tool for quite some time, but it was not up to the mark. This was an old product which was also not into the services. When we wanted to roll it out, so there was a name that we wanted to give to this product. Although it's a ManageEngine product is there, but internally how it is useful for the user. So we had roll out one quiz. So to suggest a name for this product itself, how we want to name it internally, because this is a IT help desk tool. We want everybody to collaborate and suggest a name, what should be. So there were very, you can say, innovative names that had come across, very good name suggestions that had come across. So one name that was finally suggested, it was a Sahayak. So we are using the ManageEngine product. So nobody knows this as a ManageEngine, so it's known as Sahayak. So this we are using as a Sahayak for each user. So user is feeling very happy to know about it, and we were having a problem of patch management earlier, no central visibility, and so we bought a product from the ManageEngine itself, patch management. There we had a lot of visibility. So in terms of what the patches are available, how many patches are relevant for us, how many are rolled out, applied, and how much is remaining. At the central desk itself, we are able to know how much vulnerability is there. And now we are analyzing and we are going for the threat management part also. That is also very useful from the zero-day attack perspective. So it gives wonderful visibility towards that, what are the patches available or what are the threats available from the zero-day attack perspective, and how we can prevent that. So it talks about the workaround also. So that's a good part that we have introduced. So instead of only giving the threats, patches, it talks about workaround. So if workaround is there, then at least user can go and check, and IT team can help him out that this is how you can prevent yourself from the attacks. So this is a good product that we have come across. 2 years back when pandemic was started, so there was a problem regarding remote management. So immediately we had to move towards the remote management. We are into defense, so we were not ready as such. So with the remote management part, so there are 2-3 products that we have used, and out of that ManageEngine was also a key product that we have used. for the remote management. It is a very seamless product which is integrated with Service Desk Plus. The moment you get a ticket, you can go to the desktop center and take a remote of that PC and resolve the ticket on fly. This helped a lot. Otherwise, earlier we were using amalgamation of the tools, different tools were there, which becomes a very it's not a very useful in the sense that user friendly, it's not there. So Desktop Central is very user friendly. Immediately you can go and take the remote and you can resolve the problems remotely. That is also there. We have utilized Desktop Central features extensively during the pandemic, and now it's a hybrid. We are very less onto the remote. We are maximum onto the premise. Only when the user is supposed to work on the customer side, or he has faced some difficulty, then only he is using remote. Otherwise they are on premise. There are lot of things that we can visualize onto the user side, how he is using the product, whether it is utilized properly or not, what problems he is facing. Let's say it's another optimization we have come across. If the product is not being used for quite some time, so we had sent a mail to the users whether you still want to use it or you don't want to use it, then accordingly we can take back. So we had collected back those equipments as well. With the help of ManageEngine, we had a great visibility towards the asset visibility, right, and the health of those also. With the Desktop Central it was available, remote taking or any other features, AD password reset, so those features are there. In case of patch management also, it helped a lot with lot to us. So we had a greater visibility towards the health of the cyber security health of the endpoint and the servers. So cut across, we are using different type of OSs. So Windows definitely we were able to solve, and onto the Linux side also we installed, and we got a visibility. Whenever there is a SOC alert, we are using SOC, so SOC alert is there. So as far as SOC alert is there, at least we have a visibility of that endpoint. What is the health, whether that patch applied, not applied, right? The cause of the SOC alert or the issue may be because of this or this, so that time in troubleshooting is optimized. It is less now. We were using a mobile device management from some other service provider. So we were facing difficulty with the integration part, specifically towards the AD and the management part. So with ManageEngine, we had taken that module, and with this module we are having a visibility onto the mobile device as well. And why we have gone for it, we had again evaluated many products. So we had a specific requirement. The person when comes inside the factory, his mobile camera should be blocked, his Bluetooth should be disabled, just like that many features we wanted because of the defense compliant. And there is an integration required with the access control system. So we had discussed with various OEMs, but ManageEngine had come forward and provided that solution to us, and now we are able to use this product seamlessly so that we are able to adhere the MOD guidelines for that purpose.